The show's been running 51 years now. It's a massive event that's got 300 berth custom built marina, 3 big exhibition halls, and is on 5 different sites.
Where we were tasked to rethink this corner plot of the boat show. It was historically been hospitality for VIP guests and hospitality for members of certain clubs. So they wanted to open it out to the general populace of the event.
We want everybody to go into this restaurant and get good quality food. You can sit down with your family, with your friends, plenty of seating, nice environment, good view, you can see the rest of the show, you can see the marina and have a good day out. One of the main considerations when choosing this structure was we have opted for the 4-metre leg. That gives you a really light structure and opens it up. You can see, even when you're not in the structure from the other side, you can see all the way through and you can see the marina. And that's because of the amount of glass and the height of the glass and the amount of light in the structure, and that was very important.
When we looked at the sort of physical shape and the space of the place, we have to look at what products we can offer the clients. So we've got about 1,000 square metres of covered space here. We want it to have some character. So rather than build one long marquee, we've built 3 15-metre wide marquees and linked them together to create this big open internal space. It gave us these 3 lovely arches which made it very warm and welcoming to the client. So we've used our eclipse structure, so it's a curved roof structure, 4-metre glass wall panels. The structures are all linked with no legs in the middle, so it's all very open and very sort of crisp and clean inside. The decking outside is a 5-metre by 45-metre, lovely covered terrace area, and again it's in one run. The very big terrace to the other side or front, again, is one big open space with some really nice clever decking and carpet cut in and new handrails, so the product itself looks its best here.
With our previous structure, the double-decker took almost the entire show build-up period, which then leaves you with a very tight schedule. The good thing about the build for this was it took 3 days. The thing we particularly like about the installation is 4-metre panels, the glass front. This decking area has been very popular. We've had excellent visitor response, both the structure and what we've put in it. I don't think the boat show visitors have had a structure where they could actually sit down and have a meal with their families, and I think that's what our visitors now want. What they offered was very good. It's a nice looking structure. I think the public have received this really well.